What's the meaning of astronomic? Astronomic. Astronomic.
Astronomic. Astronomic. The word astronomic is an adjective that describes something related to astronomy, the study of celestial objects such as stars, planets, and galaxies. It can also refer to things that are exceptionally large or numerous, like the number of stars in the universe. The term can also be used figuratively to describe something that is incredibly impressive or astonishing, like an astronomic rise in a stock's value. Overall, astronomic communicates a sense of vastness, complexity, and awe-inspiring wonder.